So hey guys, welcome back to UCB Creations. So in this video we are going to do amazing animation using KineMaster, so that no one expected till now. With KineMaster we can make animation. So we are going to make animation using Coca-Cola, photos and anything. So first we are going to know how to make background for it. So we are going to make color like this. So first how to make this we are going to know. So first, like this, our color will be default. This is a Pixel Lab app. You can use any other app. So we have to go to image size and we have to keep square. So okay, it is set. Now we have to go to this square option. Here we have to change the color. Now here we don't have any color starting, so first we have to select this color which will get by default. Now we have to click on add and now we can change it. 1 minute. So we can go to colors and here we have to select the red color. So you can see here this one like this. Okay, now we have to click on done. So you can see it is selected. Now we have to select this color. We have to click on this. So here we want white. So we have to go to color. Now we have to select it white. So we have to click it here like this. So you can see it came. So we have to adjust here. So you can see somewhat it is okay. Like this we have to select. Here you can say select. We have to select circle one so that it comes to middle like this. Okay, done. So you can see our color is selected. So now we'll get our color here and we have to done and click and we have to go to hard disk image and save image. Now we have to open KineMaster. For making background, now we have to open KineMaster app and we have to select square 1:1. So we have to take only mod version so that we'll not get any logo or any watermark. So first we have to select our background which we took from Pixel Lab. So we have here is our Pixel Lab. We have to select background. So you can see we can extend it or we can make more colorful our background. Now we have to select our image. We have to go to layer and select. So I'll give you all the links in description. You can go and download. I made two things. First one is this with straw and one more one is here is download. So this one. So you can take one. For first one I don't have shadow, so for this I have shadow. So mostly try to use this. So if you don't want to use this, you can use that also. So we have to increase the full. Now we can select and keep there. Second, again we have to make it duplicate. We can make 3 or 4 duplicates. After that we have to select one. So I'm not going to tell you full. I'm going to show you how we can make it. After that you can make it on your own. So you can keep according to your photo or you can make on burger also. So for burger no need to make this many duplicates, only one with colorful background we can make it like this. So for making it more attractive we have to make it blur. So we can't choose a normal blur. So we are we are going to use motion blur. So we have to go to layer effects and we have to go to get more. In get more we have to click on blur. So it is slow, so it takes some time. So here you can see motion blur. So we have to go to blur and we'll get motion blur. You can see here we have motion blur. We have to select it. So here I already installed it. So we have to click on motion blur and we have to go to settings and we can add the strength. So for this only 3% is enough. So you can keep your angle. I'm keeping 295 degrees. Now we have to select its size and we have to keep it for only this one, like this. So you can decrease the strength to 2. Angle you can keep according to you. So strength is 1 also, it is enough. So we have to again take duplicate and we have to keep here. So you can see it is 1. Again we have to go to layer, handwriting, and we have to select any color which we want and we have to draw circle. So you can see done. So we have to select it, we have to increase size and we have to keep it here. So you can keep here. So we have to increase this so it looks more good. Okay, so we have to select it. It should be here and we have to go to layer, text, and we can add anything. 45% like offer, we can keep it discount. Okay, so we have to go to text and we have to keep no to surface bold so that it be more bold. So you can see now we have to select color this so it matches with that. So you can keep here and again. So we will make the circle somewhat big here. And we have to make it duplicate and we have to add it offer. Or we can keep off. And we'll change its text. So lato bold. So you can see it is matching. So otherwise 1 minute we can change it. So we have to select it. So here we'll keep robot black. So now it is. So we'll keep a capital F so that it matches with it. So now it is going to match. So if you want you can add any animations in animation, overall animation. So this is our animation. So lastly we have to increase the size of all. And if you want we can go and capture this image. So here we have symbol and capture and save we have to click so that it captures. So this is our animation. I'll show you one photo and one video of this.